What's up, everybody? Hey, so I just got a brand new machine and I'm super excited. Anyways, follow me and you're gonna see what we're gonna make today.
Alright, so first things first, I need to get all this stuff out. There's a cup. Sorry, here's a cup. What is this? Third of a cup. Half a cup anywhere? Fourth of a cup.
Alright, so first things first, this recipe I'll link below to the guy's profile, right? So we're gonna be making some ice cream. I'll show you the device here in a second, but first things first, we need milk.
Alright, so got the milk and the heavy whipping cream is next. Yeah. Alright, so first things first, we need 1 3/4 cups of milk. Sorry, it's not in focus, but that's what we need first. Alright, so first things first, we need one of these and 3/4 of a cup. So let's get that started.
Alright, so in the video, yet again I got this recipe off of Ticketh Talk. So in the video, the guy was talking about kind of heat up your milk a little bit to get the sugar and the corn syrup to mix in, right? And then we're gonna put in our xanthan gum, right? Xanthan gum, from when I was reading it, just helps it get thick, right? So that's the reason why you see this on the stove.
Alright, so I'm supposed to have half a cup. So this is 1/4 of a cup. So half a cup of sugar. Okay. Alright, so that's getting a little hot. Sorry, please ignore that. That's getting a little hot. So, alright. I just whisked it up, right? It's all nice and warm like. And we have, let me see if I can put this right there.
Alright, we have 2 tablespoons of corn syrup. If it'll. Alright, there's 1. 2.
And then a 1/4 teaspoon of that stuff, right? Which, got a little 1/4 teaspoon. That stuff stinks. Ugh. Alright. Just get it all in there, right? Just go ahead and dump that there. Alright, so and they said that was supposed to help it all thicken up. It's got all the sugar, right? It's got the sugar, the corn syrup, the milk, right? And the milk is obviously warm, so I'm gonna go ahead and take that off because I don't want my milk stupid hot. Alright. That's the first part. Okay? Almost the first part. Anyways, I'm gonna let that cool off a little bit, and then, I'm making a mess too, we're gonna add the whipping cream. Alright, stay tuned. So now, I'm gonna dump this all in here. Dump that all in there. Put this in the sink because I gotta wash dishes. Alright, and then place the camera over here, and we're gonna have a cup and 3/4 of whipping cream. So let's get it on.
That's not even. But that stuff is thick. Oh, that stuff's super thick. 3/4.
Alright, so there's multiple parts of that. Oh my god, I had my battery in my hand. Alright, so there's multiple parts of this, right? That's just the base. We are going to grab this piece, right? So if you ever buy this, so here's what it is first, right? It's also on that guy's website. It's called Cuisinart ice cream maker right there. So that's what it is. If you go on that guy's TikTok, it's literally, he has a link and stuff for it. So you have to have this, and there's water in here. Gotta make sure when you shake it, nothing is there. And then you just place this freezing cold thing right there. And part one is done. Look at that. Boom, son. I know this is probably isn't in focus, but right now, see if I can get this in real quick. Hold on. All right, so I'm about to, Jesus, dump this in right here. Pray that it doesn't spill everywhere. All right, yeah, that's all the ingredients. So about how much DP I added, you ask? About that much, right where the bottom of the wrapper. All right, now. Look at the, oh yeah. Look at that ice cream. That ice cream. Let's go ahead and do a review, right? So, with the base and everything I was telling you, and with the link down below, let's try it out. Oh, yeah. I feel like it tastes a little better than, and again, this is Dr. Pepper. About half the bottle is what I used. This is better than some other Dr. Pepper ice creams that I ever had. Now, there's some questions, right? Like, is this gonna save money? Would I use this? I think, one, will it save money? I don't know. You know, I think with the heavyweight, the big tubs aren't much, really. So I guess it kind of depends on you. It could be the same. It could be a little less expensive. It could be a little more expensive. Depends on what you want. The good thing about this is it's a variety. So whatever you can think of, you can make. Whether you want Trix cereal, whether you want Twinkies, whatever you want, check out that guy's profile. You can make whatever, and this is actually super, super good. Like I said, some of the best Dr. Pepper, I'm not even lying, that I've ever had. And what I saw that it twisted, it turned for quite a bit, so I was only able to make one thing of ice cream, you know, because that's got to refreeze about about 12 hours, depending on everything. I guess like it says 24 hours, but as long as the water inside is solid, you're good. But honestly, guys, I think this is a buy. If you have younger kids, this is definitely a buy. This is one of those things where if you had kids or even grandkids for you guys who are older, it'd be something to buy to spend time with your grandkids and that kind of stuff. Now I will be making more ice cream, and I'll go ahead and film it as well. I have Oreos. I have the golden Oreos. So next week you guys are gonna see me make golden Oreos. But this to me is a complete buy. The device or the ice cream maker, right? You're talking about 50, let's say 60 bucks. To me, that's not very expensive. 60 bucks is not it's not a deal breaker. And then whatever supplies you got, you can make cereal, you can have sweets, and you know, now that I have the corn syrup and I have, you know, all that stuff, it shouldn't be much. The only thing you'll have to keep buying is a whipping cream. So, you know, that's my review. This is definitely a buy. This is definitely a make. And yet again, guys, if you have kids, I think this is fantastic to get. And the only thing stopping you is from doing different flavors is your imagination. So appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed the small video, and